Good day. If you're serious about making money online, then rule number one is stop selling and start engaging people with content. I want to share with you how you can ride the coattails of other established businesses. You don't have to create content to get traffic, but you want to use that content to draw traffic. I have a complete turnkey system, 14-day trial. It's built in WordPress. You have over $700 worth of premium plugins to use. You can go to my website, onlineshops.network, and I will share with you all my video content for free. Or you can take a 14-day trial for a complete turnkey system. I've been in the online trenches since 1995. I've been teaching software here in New York City since 1987 when I was 28 years old. I'm now 63 years old. If you want to learn how to work smart without chasing another shiny object or another $997 webinar, etc., simply click the link, go to my website, watch my videos, watch all my free videos, and or take a 14-day complete turnkey system. I'm here to help you every step of the way, but I assure you 100% nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So enjoy your day, stop chasing the shiny objects, and let me help you build a solid audience and how to finally make money online without selling and without posting products by working smart online. Thanks again. Let's make 2022 your best year ever. Carpe Diem 2022.